If you're deep into the world of digital commerce, then you know that running successful email marketing campaigns is essential to the success of your business. If you want to improve your email open rates and turn them into sales, then you're not going to want to miss this video. Hey there, I'm Liesl from Helpfull, and in today's video, I'll be discussing how you can use Helpfull to improve your email open rates by choosing the most effective subject line. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I'll share the most common reasons why email marketing campaigns fail and how to fix this so you can make sure that you don't fall into these expensive traps. If you're involved with digital commerce, and these days who isn't, then you're already well aware how crucial email open rates are. What makes an effective email subject line? Well, have a look at these time-tested marketing tricks. Email marketing has been around for nearly 3 decades because it's easy to do, it integrates well with other marketing channels, it's cost-effective, pretty much every consumer has an email address, and campaigns can be automated, saving you tons of time. For an email campaign to be effective, however, you have to draw the customer in amidst a sea of competitors' headlines and product offers with an engaging and relevant title. But how do you know which titles will be the most effective? With Helpfull's quick and easy surveying options, you'll know in advance what subject lines stand out, so you'll have a huge advantage over your competitors. So let's run a survey. I'm going to pretend I own a cosmetics brand and I want to announce a special 30% off store-wide sale. Because it's a limited time deal, it's imperative that I instantly grab the audience's attention with a captivating email subject line. First, I'm going to select the type of survey. Then enter a custom name. Then type in your question. Now start typing in your email subject line options. At this point, you can preview your survey if you'd like. Then drag the slider to the number of survey respondents you'd like to participate. I'll go with a nice even 100. You can keep your audience general or target specific demographics depending on your product. I'll keep mine general. Then click Select Payment Method and Run Survey. And now panelists from across the United States will begin sending you genuine and insightful responses that you can use to decide on an email subject line that will really grab potential customers' attention. And once your survey is complete, and mine only took 10 minutes, check out these awesome filters and tools that you can use to search through and sort all this meaningful new data. And you can even share your results via PDF, CSV, and across social media. You'll also receive a survey confirmation email, and you can revisit your results in your account at any time. And as we discussed earlier with the time-tested marketing tips, you can see that option 4 won by a huge margin using 2 of these tips. Plan a customer's sense of urgency and keep your title short and sweet. And as you can also see, the use of all caps paired with the discount at the top really got the panelists' attention. So consider using this intel to your advantage. So now it's time to divulge the most common reasons why email marketing campaigns fail and how you can make sure that you don't make these mistakes that your competitors hopefully and probably will. The most common reason for failure is underperforming open rates. And the most common reason that campaigns suffer from this is poor subject line choice. In order for a marketing email to be effective, the recipients have to click and open it, and for this to happen, you must draw them in with an engaging and relevant title. Otherwise, your email could be discarded or go into spam, which means that your marketing campaign may fail, and that means you lose money. But how do you know which titles are the most effective? Many marketers test their email titles with consumer focus groups, which can be expensive and challenging to arrange. But when you use Helpfull's online surveying, you can immediately test and retest multiple iterations of subject lines in front of hundreds of panelists across the United States. With a variety of demographic options to choose from, Helpfull is the ideal tool for getting quick, effective feedback from your specific target market. If you like this video, we'd love if you'd subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions or comments, just let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Now go get serving.